Dendy is a series of home video game consoles, an unofficial hardware clone of the third-generation Famicom console from Japanese company Nintendo. Dendy were produced by Steepler since the end of 1992 and were assembled in Taiwan from Chinese components and were mainly sold in Russia. Over time, the series of consoles also began to be assembled at the Subor Chinese factory and at the Tenzor Russian factory in Dubna town. The consoles were based on Japanese hardware design and cartridge format, different from the American ones. The Dendy lineup was divided into two categories, the basic Dendy Classic and the budget Dendy Junior, which differed in design, quality and price. The Classic was a copy of the Micro Genius console of Taiwan TXC Corporation and were produced in the same factory. The Junior was made using cheaper technology specifically for the Steepler and used a system on a chip. A Dendy Pro version with one wired and one wireless gamepad was also planned to be released, but it ended up being on sale in only one small batch. Since neither the Famicom nor Nintendo Entertainment System were ever officially sold in the former USSR, the Dendy achieved great popularity in the region. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.